Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable auto restart on Android phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up settings on your mobile device, then you can set the settings and then click. So here in settings, and then you need to find and locate this battery and device care. So if you see this battery and device care, and then you need to click again. So here at battery and device care, and then you need to scroll down, and then under at performance, you can see this auto optimizations, and then you need to click the settings. And then here at auto optimizations, and then you can say this auto restart, and then click again. So here in auto restart on how to enable or disable on auto restart your phone. So but before to do that, then we need to read this important details about auto restart. So restarting your phone from time to time can help keep it running in the best conditions. Your phone will only restart when the screen is off, the phone isn't being used, battery is about 30%, and SIM card lock is off. So at the bottom, you can see these two option settings like restart when needed and restart on schedule. On right side, you can see this button, and then if you want to turn on or enable, then you need to toggle this button. So that means restart is already enabled or turned on. Also, you can choose this restart on schedule about set a schedule for when you want your phone to restart. You can also turn on or turn off this button. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.